So, dear students, here I am discussing question number 4 of exercise 4.1 trigonometry class 11 your mathematics. Okay, and we are discussing the problem based on the measurement of the angles. Okay, and how you can use the system of measurement of angles. Okay, grade, radians and degree. Okay, in finding the different type of angles and conversion of the angles from one unit to other unit. So here is another interesting question is that in front of you, and it is one of the application of the units of measurement of angles here. Here in a triangle, three angles are given, and three angles are given in different system. One angle is given in grade, other angle is given in degree, and third angle is given in radian. We have to express all the angles in degree. Okay, let us read the question here. Here question number 4 is that one angle of a triangle is 2 by 3x grade. Okay, suppose an angle A is equal to 2 upon 3x grade. Understand or not? This stands for grade. And second angle, suppose B angle given 3 by 2x degree. 3 by 2x what? Degree. Understand or not? Degree given. This is given in angle A is given in, suppose angle A is given one of the angle in grade, other angle B angle suppose in degree, and third angle let's see C angle is equal to pi x upon 75 what? 75 what? Radian. C stands for radian. Okay, and you have to express the angle of the triangles in terms of degree. Using the relationship, using this relationship, which you already know, which is already discussed. Okay, and we know the relationship among the degree, grade, radian and grade. This is degree, this is radian, and this is grade. What is the relationship among them? 180 degree is equal to pi radian is equal to 200 grade. Understand or not? Okay, so here we are converting. Okay, we have to express all the angles of triangle in what? Degree. And here you see the angle A is given 2 upon 3x grade. Okay, and angle A you have to express in what? In degree. Yes or no? Let us express all the angles in degree as per the requirement. What to find out? We have to express the angles of the triangle in degree. Here the angle A, which is 2 upon 3x grade, it is given in grade. So let us convert this angle from grade to degree according to this relationship. All of you know that 200 grade is equal to 180 degree. So 200 grade is equal to 180 degree. So 1 grade is equal to 180 by 200, which is 9 by 10 degree. Okay, so whenever you are converting the angle from grade to degree, multiply 9 by 10. So simply, so 2 by 3x, now see 2 by 3x into grade, which is equal to 9 upon 10 what? Degree. Is it clear? See, the angle is given in grade, you have to express in degree, just multiply what? 9 upon 10. Okay, so after multiplying you see, here the angle will what? You cancel here 3 3 ja 9, 2 5 ja 10, and it is what? It will be, the angle will be what? 3x. The angle will be 3x. 3x by 5 degree. 3x by 5 degree. Understand? Okay. Is it clear? So 3 3 is 9, here 2 5 is 10, 3x, 3 multiplied x is 3x upon 5 degree. And second angle B, which is already 3 by 2 x degree, is already given in degree, no need to change, don't change it. Is already the angle is already in degree. Yes, because all the angle we have to express in degree. Since the angle is already in degree, no need to change. Now let's see angle C, which is pi x by 75 what? Radian. So this angle radian, it is in the angle in radian, we have to convert into degree using the relationship pi radian is equal to 180 degree. So pi radian is 180 degree. 1 radian is equal to 180 by pi degree. It means whenever you are converting the angle from radian to degree, you have to multiply what? 180 by pi. So you see now So pi x by 75 radian can be written what? Pi x by 75 into what? 180 by pi what? Degree. I don't know. Here the angle in grade, angle in what? Radian. C stands for radian. C in the symbolic representation of radian of angle. So we are converting into degree by multiplying what? 180 upon pi. Yes. Yes or no? Okay. So after you see now, here you see pi will be cancelled here. Yes or no? And you cancel here also what? Can you cancel 15? 15 5 is 75. Here 15 1 is 15, 3, 30, 15 2 is 30. So it is what? 12x. Here 12, here x. 12x by how much? 5 degree. Okay. Understand? Here we get angle A. So we get angle A is equal to 3x upon what? 5 degree. Angle B we got what? We got 3 by 2x degree. Already it is already in degree. And angle C we got 12x by what? 5 degree. Understand? So here three angles are expressed in degree. Okay. Is it clear? Okay. Okay. Now as per the angle sum property of triangle. So all the angles are expressed in degree in the same unit of the measurement of angles. We express all the angles in the same unit. Now you can use the angle sum property of triangle. What the angle sum property of triangle? Yes, sum of the triangle is 100 what? 80 degree. Is it no? Now see the angle A is 3x upon what? 3x upon 5 degree. Angle B is 3x by 2 degree. And here angle C is 12x by what? 5 is equal to 180. Okay. Now let us take the LCM now. What is the LCM of 5, 2 and 5? What is the LCM of 5, 2 and 5? Yes. Yes. What is the LCM? Which is 10 or not? The LCM of 5 is 10. So 10 divided by 5 is 2. 2 3 ja 6x. 10 divided by 2 is 5. 5 3 ja 15x. And 10 divided by 5 is 2. 12 to the what? 24x is equal to 180 degree. 180 degree. Understand? So that implies 6x plus 15x plus 24x. Is it clear? See, once again check. 10 upon 5 is 2. 2 3 is 6x. 10 upon 2 is 5. 5 3 is 15x. 10 upon 5 is 2. 12 2 is 24x. So you see now, multiply here. Yes, 6x plus 15x plus 24x. You see, 6 plus 5. 11. 11 plus 4. How much? Yes. You see 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 plus 6 15. Carry 1. 2 plus 1 3. 3 plus 1 4. 45. X by 10 is equal to 180. Yes or no? Degree. Yes. Okay. Then you find the value of x. Yes. So you can directly find x is equal to 180 into 10 upon 45. And here 10 upon 45 means what? 45 4 ja 180. Yes or no? So x is equal to how much? X is equal to 4 into 10 40. We got x is equal to 40. X is equal to 40. Yes. We got x is equal to what? 40. Yes. So now we can easily find out three angles. Angle A. What is angle A? 3x upon 5, which is 3 into 40 upon 5. 5 is 40. 8 3 are 24. Hence A angle is equal to how much? 24 degree. A angle is equal to 24 degree. Okay. A angle is equal to 24 degree. Yes. Then angle B. Angle B is equal to how much? 3 by 2x. Okay. And that is equal to 3 into x value 40. 40 by 2. You cancel here. So B angle will be what? 23 is 60 degree. 60 degree. Okay. Understand? And C angle. Here C angle is, what is C angle given? Let's find out C angle here. Let's find out C angle. And here C angle, you see the C angle given 12x upon 5. 12 into, here x value 40 by 5. Here 5 is a what? 40. And 12 is a what? 96. 96 per degree. Hence C angle, it will be 96 degree. Understand? Okay. Hence we got the required angle. Here all the angles are expressed in degree. Yes. Hence we got A angle. And three angles of triangle are what? 40 degree, 60 degree and 96 degree. And three angles are 40 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Okay. Understand? Yes. So you write the conclusion, final conclusion. We got the three angles. Okay. Here you can write here. Three angles, right? Hence. Yes. And three angles are how much? One is 24 degree, another is what? 60 degree, and third angle is what? 96 degree. This is how, this is one of the very interesting problem, application of the units of measurement angles, how you can convert the angles from radian to degree, okay, and grade to degree. Understand? And this is the interrelationship between the relationship of the three system of measurement angles, degree, grade and radian. Remember this concept and the relationship among the degree, radian and grades. 180 degree is equal to pi radian is equal to 200 grades, and this relationship is always useful during the conversion of the one system of angles into other system. Okay, is it clear, all of you? Okay, so note down this one. See, very clear. Thank you.